out something that is long overdue. I actually just got it in the mail today, and I'm super excited to do this video. Basically, this is something that me and along with other people out there, maybe thousands, hundreds of thousands actually, I don't really remember how many people have backed this project, but yeah, this is gonna be the Rebuff VR Ears. I think that's what they were called, VR Ears. It's been so long, and here it is, finally. Boom. I already like the packaging so far. Aha! Bye. Ooh, man. Oh, there you go. Bam, perfect. Look at that. All right. Got heat sealed wrapping right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and break that right there and tear it up. So let's see what they got going on in here. At the back of the box from top to bottom, it says here that it has a battery capacity of 6 hours of playtime with 2 hours of charge time, a bit less than the estimated time of the Elite battery strap combined with the headset's battery capacity, which should be around 6 to 8 hours. It also has a digital signal processor and amplifier inside, similar to a DAX you find with some gaming headsets out there. Now it supports all the popular headsets out there like the Rift S, Quest 1 and 2, the Valve Index, PSVR, and the Vive's Deluxe audio strap, if you so choose to replace its over-the-ear headset already built in. Now moving on to the moneymaker itself, it sports a 40mm driver, which are standard to most gaming headsets out there in the market, and supposedly it's tuned at detailed highs, clear mids, and deep bass. Now what this really means for you is it'll pick up footsteps rather easily in shooter games, making the weapon sound nice and poppy while offering heavier tones as well. Hopefully it delivers on all accounts because that sounds a little bit too perfect. Now the 60 to 20,000 Hz frequency range is right within the same range as human hearing. It also runs through 4 ohm impedance expected from a rather small audio device. What is surprising is that it has a noise sensitivity of 99 decibel, meaning it can produce clear sounds at a louder volume. Now most audio devices out there are sensitive between 87 to 88 decibels, so really anything above 90 is counted to be quite excellent. So we're gonna go ahead and do what you guys have been waiting for, what I have been waiting for, and we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up. Boom. Alright, so we got right here the box. Damn, these guys, man. Ooh, baby, they are a lot bigger than I thought they would be, and they're finally here. I got the notification last week like they were on their way, in which I thought, it's gonna be here. It's gonna take a while for it to get here, and they came today by surprise. So, okay. So let's see what else is in the baggie, right? And we got the accessories. Let's go ahead and dump them. So we got here the silicone inserts for different headsets. We got the Vive Pro with deluxe audio strap, the Oculus Rift S, the Valve Index, and lastly the Oculus Quest. Alright, so right now we have the right side here. Does this just come off? Oh, look, they just pop right off. Bam and bam. And then this is the right top. And we just put it like that. Yes, we do. Yes, sir. Nope, the other way. Oh, look, they even got like little grooves right there. So you can just like immediately put it in. Okay, boom. And then just like that, you are ready to put this into the regular Halo strap that comes with the PSVR. And what we have here are the clips, spacers. Okay, and then we have an auxiliary cord here, important. And as far as like their swag gear right here, they give you 2 nifty little Rebuff Reality stickers, black and white. Now setting up the VR ears is simple. Right out the box, remove the clamps off the device by clicking on both sides. After you're done, loosen the screws here on the male clamps to give it enough wiggle room so when you click it back on the clamps later, you can determine a comfortable angle of the headset. Now once you're done with that, go ahead and place the clamps on each side of the bands. With that completed, go ahead and click the loosened VR ears into the clamp. Now once you find the angle you like, you can choose to remove the headset again, tighten the screws up and click them back on. Now what I chose to do is to leave the headset as is, nice and loose, to make it easier for the next user to find their angle and for easier storage as well. Now after all that, just plug in the 3.5mm aux cord, power on, and you're ready to go. So here we are, we're going to be checking out the VR ears by them. And yeah, see how well they go. We're first gonna check it out with a VR horror title named Hello Puppets. Here we go. Hello. Alright, so here we are in Hello Puppets. Picking up, oh my god. Picking up exactly where we left off. Very, very nice audio quality for sure. It transcends the built-in speakers on the Quest 2 naturally. I mean, these are much bigger speakers. And I've already maxed out both audio.
Would you keep it down?
I know.
I don't know what's in here.
Okay, so it's definitely much louder, and there's definitely some directional audio. Now that's pretty cool. Test out the music.
What was that?
Oh my god, dude, stop.
Oh, never mind.
Don't.
Just a shadow. Sorry, I'm a little freaked out. Are you freaked out too, host?
You're freaked out. I'm freaked out. Oh my god, there it is. There it is. Oh Jesus, look at him. Oh, I was waiting for that. Ah. Vertical combat system done. Okay, and here we are. We're going to be checking out Population 1 for that shooter vibe. So the reason why I'm using these spaces right here is because of this mic. It's a little bit too, the Antline wireless mic is a little bit too thick, and I couldn't fit it in there between the spaces. So I, used that extra space, and it was perfect actually. Now it's completely working, but for, what do you call that? Evenness sake, I had to use it on the other side, even though I didn't really technically need it, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna affect the quality of audio, or at least the direction of audio I'm gonna have. I'm gonna do like one match, and don't judge me because I'm completely terrible at this game. I'm like super new to this game, so I don't know. You're the leader, you're the one with the cool skin. Let's go, Deb. High drop. Oh, he's high dropping.
I guess we're high dropping.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, you guys got some decent guns?
Is there anyone by the tower or like camping on the tower?
I would assume so, honestly, immediately.
Wait.
Okay, drop over there on that side, that direction. Careful. So we're definitely gonna have some people hunting down.
Oh yeah, I think they're coming for me. Oh no, they're inside the building.
Oh no, I got killed! Huh? Yo, he's good, he's good.
I have to reload right now. I wish you could run in this game, gosh.
Oh my god. I am outclassed in the match, dude. I'm sorry, Abraham.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Ah!
I'm going up this window. I'm gonna look for loot.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get crystal for the dark pit. Whatever it's called. The dark side, I don't know.
Ah! I forgot we can build in this game.
Oh yeah. But the things are really I have a sniper.
On our left, on our left. Oh god. So like weighing in the good and the bad, as far as like the pros go, I think it's pretty great. It's a great solution to have like constantly attached to your headset. That is a better like alternative than the built-in speakers on a Quest 2. I like that you can immediately like angle it however you like. That way it can fit for most heads. And also the overall performance on the headset, it was really good. It sounded great. It sounded clear. I did try it with a horror game just to get like that heavy bass kind of like ambience. Directional portion of it was actually really well. And when Population 1, I was able to pinpoint footsteps fairly easily. Now for the cons, there's quite a few. As you guys can see, the design is robust. It adds more weight. A microphone can pick up some of the noise coming out of the headset naturally, just like the whole built-in speakers on the Quest 2. I thought it would be really bad even though I had it on full blast, but what I found out was it was a little bit of bleed through where it's almost unnoticeable in recording. So as far as like the whole recommendation, just to wrap up the video, it's a really great solution for the headset. It doesn't sound bad at all. If anything, it sounds awesome. Comparing it to the deluxe audio strap, you don't get more bang for your buck. From what I've heard, the deluxe audio strap sound quality is really good. On top of that, with the deluxe audio strap, you get a whole headset strap, right? This one, it just clips onto whatever you already have. Now, if you're strapped a little bit in your cash, then I would stay away from it. I mean, there are decent solutions out there. I mean, for example, the little bit more expensive G333 from Logitech is not bad. If you think that the advantages of over-the-ear comfort and really good like 360 tracking is for you, and the price justifies it, or like the retail or the sale price justifies it, then I say go for it. If not, there's better things out there for you. So if you guys liked the video, let me know in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for everything VR gaming and tech, and I'll see you guys next time.